Have you been waiting decades to get your body preserved? Well, because of embalming, you're sure to keep your bodies mummified and still alive. Embalming was created to prepare the body for burial aligned with the religious faith and preparation for the afterlife. Egyptians routinely used a more elaborate process to ensure the dead experience safe passage to the afterlife.
It's quick and easy!
Because this process is so expensive, you'll need the right currency. It takes 70 days on the Egyptian calendar to mummify someone. Coffin's so nice, you don't want to die twice.
No, I don't.
You must be 18 or older to order.